Welcome to Pro Tool Reviews. What I want to show you today is what Knipex just sent in. It's their new twin grip pliers. Let's take a closer look. The Knipex Twin Grip pliers come in 3 sizes. We get the 8-inch, which is something you've already seen before. This has already been on the market. We also get a new 6-inch, which is kind of nice to see a really compact pair of pliers. And also we get a new 10-inch. So this new 10-inch size gives us that little bit bigger gripping range and a little bit larger pliers, so we can definitely handle some larger tasks. Now, what makes these so cool is the twin grip. And what that is that we can actually grip stuff, fasteners, pipes, anything that we're trying to grip onto from both the side and also the tip. So this has jaws that allow you to grab onto a fastener or anything from the tip or from the sides. Something else that's nice about these is there's a push button to set it and forget it type setting. So once we press that button, it doesn't further adjust. These pliers stay adjusted until I press that button again, readjust to the size that I need, and I'm up and running. You do get a wide range of adjustment with the large size, the 10-inch, so you can see, you get an idea here of the amount of movement in that jaw. Now when I go to the 8-inch, it's a little less movement. They do close up pretty tight though, so these are pretty versatile. I can get to pretty small fasteners and also can open these up to definitely a larger size fastener. And then the 6-inch really isn't designed for your heavy duty tasks. It's designed for your smaller fasteners. And again, real small jaws when it's closed. Got that front grip, and also I think I get 3 adjustments on the size for the maximum size on this. So not as big as these other ones, but we still, between the 3 pliers, we have a pretty good capacity. We can go as small as 1/16 of an inch, which you can see here. We get a 1/16 of an inch grip all the way up to an inch, and for being able to hold the pliers, 1 1/16 inches with these pliers. Something else to note on these pliers as well is the head design is very small and narrow. So even when I'm using these, it still keeps this profile small down here, which would allow me to reach up into something and be able to twist on it, tug on it, or something like that. As you can see with the 6-inch in particular, it's pretty small and comes with a pretty thin profile. So you'll be able to get up into some difficult to reach places and be able to grab fasteners or whatever you're trying to get a hold of on the ends of these pliers. So something else, while they're called twin grips, there's actually something that happens on most things that you want to grab with these pliers, and that is you get 3 points of contact. And I'll show you that with this nut. So we have a hex nut here, standard hex nut. Go ahead and adjust these pliers slightly, put the hex nut in here, and as you can see, we have a point of contact here on the bottom. We have a point of contact here on this side of the flat of the nut, and also one up here. So that allows us to get really solid contact on that nut from 3 sides. And even if I move the nut down to this other position in the jaw, I still get a point of contact here, a flat point of contact here, and also a point of contact up here. So we're getting 3 points of contact. And also I can grip from the end. So I can use this to grip that fastener from the end because of those cuts in the jaw. These pliers are actually good at other types of fasteners as well. Here's a round fastener. This is an Allen head type fastener, and I can go ahead and show you that this 6-inch plier is able to grab onto this fastener with ease as well. And if you can look up inside of there, what you have is point of contact on the bottom, point of contact here, and then also an additional point of contact on the other side, allowing you to get really solid grip on that fastener. Even if I move it down the jaw, I still get 2 points of contact on the bottom and another one on the top. And the same on the end. I can go ahead and grab that fastener from the end, and you can see how convenient that would be if you're reaching into something to be able to turn that and grab a hold of that to get it out. So it makes it really nice to be able to get into probably some difficult places and be able to get a grip on those fasteners. Now, also I have a square-headed fastener here as well. Same thing. I can go ahead and adjust my plier accordingly, and because it's a square head, I get 2 solid points of contact. I get a flat here across the whole face of the fastener and on the top as well. So again, very versatile plier as far as grabbing onto things. This also fits in the end of the jaw as well, so I can grab it, hold it this way to be able to turn it, twist it, whatever I need to do. I'm going to show you how it works with a small size. I can adjust these pliers down using the small hole in the jaw. I can grab onto something small as a 1/16 of an inch. So I can hold this, I can bend that over, and have a very secure grip on this this particular nail. for this instance. Now that 1/16 of an inch is also on all the pliers. So here's the 8-inch, has that same little groove in the top up there, and the same thing, I can put that in there, go ahead and get a grip on there and fold that over and show you that I get a really good solid grip on that nail in that 1/16 inch position. So some versatility there. Something nice too is even if you're using round, something that's round like pipe, same thing, you can use a piece of pipe, put that pipe up in there, and also get a really solid grip because I got point of contact here, 2 points of contact on the top. So really secure grip, gripping on things. And just to give you an idea, the power of these pliers, I can actually crush this with pretty good ease because the leverage point is such that you do get a lot of torque potential on fasteners by the amount of pressure that you can put on these pliers. So you can definitely get some good grip strength. And that just gives you a little demonstration of that. And last, as far as holding onto things, if you're working with flat goods, you can adjust your plier. Got about 1/8 inch piece of steel here. Open my jaw to about that. And I can also do the same for this, where I can set my plier where I get multiple points of grip. So I can grip it from the front and also the back of the jaw. So I can really get a secure grip onto a piece of metal to be able to twist it, pull it, whatever I might need to do, because I do get that multiple points of grip. A couple last features to point out about these pliers is their box joint design. So as you can see, the one side of the jaw passes through the other side of the jaw. And so it creates a very strong design as far as rigidity in these pliers, not a lot of wiggle, very secure. And also what's nice about these handles is they are a non-slip material. And as you're working on things and you're gripping things, they're also designed so there is no pinch points. So as you're working with these pliers, the chances of you pinching your fingers is pretty slim as you use these. And the last thing I want to point out is the jaws in particular. These are made of drop forged steel, but beyond that, the teeth are further hardened to 61 HRC. What that means is that these jaws over time aren't going to wear down quickly. You're going to have a lot of time that you'll be able to use these jaws in order to grip on things. And you can see the amount of teeth that's up inside of there, both for the side and the end grip. Those teeth are going to last a long time because of that additional harness that has been applied to the jaws. So what you're getting with the Knipex Twin Grip plier is an incredibly versatile plier. It's not the type of plier you're going to use all the time. It kind of serves a specific purpose of trying to get stuck fasteners out, things like that. But when you need it, you need it. Now, these do come with a lifetime warranty. They are made in Germany. They are very high quality, so that doesn't come at a low price, but I think it's absolutely worth it. You can get the 6-inch for $35. You can get the 8-inch for about $50, $60 for the 10-inch, or you can buy all three in a set for just over $100. Still, that seems like a pretty good deal for a plier of this kind of caliber. I think you should add one to your tool collection. I am curious, what types of pliers like these do you already use? What do you think about Knipex tools? Drop me a comment below, let me know. Now, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel, do that so you don't miss out on any of these videos. And as always, thanks for watching.